Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we will be talking about GDP. As in last session we have seen that every debt paper had some credit rating, and just like that every country also had some credit rating, and one of the major factor which affects the credit rating of the country is GDP. Let us try to understand what is GDP and how small investor or what small investor should learn from it. A European economist, Lord Keynes, gave this formula to the world. Broadly, everyone calculates their GDP according to this formula. What is this formula? GDP is equal to G plus I plus C plus X minus M. G is government spending. Whatever government is spending to build the infrastructure, roads, bridges, everything that comes under this G. I is investments. It is not your or mine investment. It is the investment of the corporates or the corporate entities which they put to build a factory or manufacturing unit from which the people gets the employment. Once they get some money as their salary, they spend that into the system, and this is how the money gets circulated into the system. C is consumption. Consumption is what you and me pays into the system to buy any FMCG goods or to buy anything. X is export. Our country is only 14 to 15% or up to 20% dependent on export. Rest we consume whatever we manufactures. X is export. Whenever we are exporting anything, we get foreign currency. When we are selling anything to other country, we get their currency into our country, which gives strength to our system. And M is import. We import oil, we import electronic goods, we import gold mainly, and whenever we are importing, we pay our money to other countries. That's why minus sign has given to M. Nowadays the speed of GDP or a growth is a right word, the growth rate of GDP is very slow or very less, and we say that equity markets reflects the speed or the growth of the country. And if GDP or growth of the GDP is very low, and that's why equity market is very low, but the fundamental of any country or our country are very strong, then this is the opportunity for a small investor to buy at every dips, to buy at every dip. And not only we should buy now, we should stay there for longer duration, at least 8 to 10 years. So this is the opportunity. Invest now and stay there for 10 years. Today we will stop here. If you want to know more some about other different topic, then please mention in a comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address. Also you have to say thanks to BSc IPF and SEBI because they took this initiative. The same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi language. You can visit the YouTube channel to know more. Thank you very much.